What if we reclaimed everything they took? Not just survival, but the land beneath our feet. The names on our tongues. Last names from our oppressors, replaced by ancestral names. Full on meaning and purpose. What if we changed our names? In spirit and in truth. The stories in our bones hold horror, pain, and displacement from slavery, which generations have not removed. They took land from the shores of Africa to the farms of the South. They took legacy, burned it in books, buried it under silence, and attempted erasure of people they fear. They took language, cut out our tongues, and called us broken. Savage acts by savage people. But we were never broken completely. Haven't you heard that black don't crack? It is true, and we are more than conquerors. 20 we were only interrupted, delayed but not denied. What if every acre was returned, 40 acres and a mule, to fulfill a promise made, and yet to be fulfilled? Not in anger, but in truth, for economic justice and reparations. Not in revenge, but in restoration, as attempt to repair brokenness and celebrate resilient strength. A world where black families own the land, where reparations aren't theory, but reality, where traditions aren't forgotten, but remembered and respected, where our dreams aren't denied, but supported. What if we stopped asking and started building with what we have? Could this happen without interruption? Or do we need to ask permission for that? We are Unshakable Roots, and we don't flinch from the truth. We reveal it. We reclaim it. Subscribe, join the community, and hope you will return for another video.